In this video, we're building a full 2D snake game in Roblox Studio from scratch. Everything is built in a single local script. Let's start with a grid system. We'll start off defining some basic settings like FPS, grid size, and colors. We'll also set up variables for the snake, grid, and game state, and define a tile type to manage positions. Let's create a function to render the grid. As this runs, you can see the grid being created in real time. This black frame will contain the game. Each of these squares is a tile the snake can move on. This text will display our score. Now we'll create a helper function to color individual tiles. This function checks if the snake goes outside the grid. Let's create a function to check if two tiles are colliding. We want to place the food in a random location on screen, so let's create a function. We'll create a food in a loop until it's far away from the snake. We want to increase the length of the snake from the tail, so let's make a function to get its length. I don't want the snake to be able to go through itself, so let's fix that. Let's increase the score by 1 when the food is eaten. It's time to add a way for the player to control the snake. I'll use the WASD keys, but feel free to choose something else. Now that we have controls, we'll also need a way for the snake to actually change its position. Here, we're resetting the colors of all tiles, then coloring the snake and food. We're also displaying the score on our text that we made earlier. If the snake is at the same location as the food, we know it's been eaten and we can increase the score. Every frame, we want to move the snake, check collisions, and render to the screen. Every round, we set the score to 0, place a food. We also set the location of the snake to the center of the screen. When is alive is false, we can set the text color to red and write the score and you lost to the screen. Let's give it a test. I just noticed that the score is missing. Let's see what we did wrong. We forgot to set its size, and the position is incorrect. This plus is supposed to be 2 dots. Let's change that. Now, everything works as intended. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more.